Hello my friends, welcome back to another video. This is a very important one. This is a 2016 Prius. I may be the first one to have had problem with my Prius because I searched all over YouTube and I couldn't find a vehicle this generation that has a problem with the fuel pump. Unfortunately, my fuel pump there's a problem with it. The pump itself or the motor, it's fine. However, I went to put fuel and then I fill up the tank, but it still show it's a quarter full, and that's when I realized that there is a problem. So that's the sending unit. This is the pump, not in the vehicle, but here's the story. After I learned that the pump is there's a problem, that's the sending unit. This is it here. So basically, when you put fuel in it, it's full, it goes up and it stays at this position. And as the fuel is being used, it goes down. But apparently, something happened here, and then it just stay pretty much like this. Okay. So I went to the auto parts, two auto parts, and then they quote me $1,260. That's before taxes. Okay, and this here, they don't sell this, so you have to get the unit itself. So here's what I did, realizing that the pump is still good, so I went ahead and on eBay, and I got this for $60. Hopefully it works, but all I need is this. I can easily remove this here and then put it back in this, but no, I'm going to use this whole thing here because the seller told me that they tested this, it works, and it came out of a 2016 just like this one. So this is what we are going to do. You can do this job yourself, and this is a tutorial, and I'm not doing it fast, so you can learn to do this, because this is easily a $2,000 job, because this is already $13-14 including taxes. So we are going to do this. Please stay with me, give me a thumbs up. Okay, now let's just go ahead and start the video right now. Hello guys, 2016 Prius 2. The lever for the fuel receiving unit is stuck on pretty much on empty. Now with 2016, it's to access the fuel tank, it's under the rear seat. So I just lift up the cushion, okay, and so this is where it is, okay. So I have to order it. The story here, I went to the auto parts and checked, and they told me it was $1,260, and I thought the lady was wrong. And I went to another auto parts, and they quoted me the same. So basically, the fuel pump assembly is $1,300 plus tax, and so. The motor is fine. It's just the lever, I think that's stuck, but they don't sell them separately, so we have to get the full assembly. Is the rear, the trunk. You can also remove some stuff, so if you want to get more room. But anyway, I ended up going on eBay. And so I bought a used fuel pump for $58. And so all I will do is take the lever from the used fuel pump, or maybe I can use the old fuel pump from eBay. But I will see. I'm waiting on it. So for safety, the first thing to do is to disconnect the auxiliary battery, and also I will disconnect the high voltage battery if I can find where the switch is. But of course, you have to disconnect both of them. For the 2016, 17, 18, all the way up, you come in on the passenger side, and so the side here, and that's where the filter, okay. Here I've already replaced the filter, and so you remove the filter cover, and so here that's where the high voltage switch is. See right now, up it's engaged, and then down disengaged. So right now they it killed the voltage of the the high voltage battery. So meaning that it's safe to work around it. One step, I removed the seat. The reason is so I can have more room. You see how exposed it is, and it's easy to remove the seat. So it just here on the side, there's that bolt, and then here another bolt. I remove it, and then the cushion also come loose. Now I just place them on top of the vehicle. So basically, you see, there's a lot more room right now to work on this. So all I will do is this one here, just unplug this right here to move it to the side. And so you have to chisel this because there's a super glue that hold this. I think the purpose of this is to prevent the fume to come into the cabin. So I will chisel this out to remove it. Remember I said I use a chisel, but I use a knife instead, and with a printed object, anything. And underneath, and I did this around it, and so I loosen up the glue. You see, this was here. I disconnected it, put it on the side. But again, this might look tedious, folks, but you know, this is you're saving $1,000 by not going to the dealership. Okay, so this is it. This is it. Let me take, okay, see this one here, that's just to hold, to keep it from getting a cut here. So let's just move this to the side. It's really dusty here, but you can see I don't even need to take the top this thing out of the cover. So there are two lines. You see, you just disconnect this one and then disconnect this one, and so you can see when it comes back to put them back together, there's no confusion because they are totally different. And so that's the fuel line, and then this one, that's probably vacuum. That's probably the vacuum, and then that's the fuel, the main fuel line. It's very easy. And then this is the bracket. Once the bracket is this is the bracket. Once the bracket is loose, then the pump will just come loose. Jesus, yes. So this is like I said previously, this might be the overflow or the vacuum line, sorry. And so you see how it is this it's in, but to open it, you just press on the side here. So I have to do it with two hands. So press on the tip each side, and then you pull this out, and that's how you'll be able to get this off. It's the same for, this is the main line where the fuel comes out and go into the engine or the injectors. Okay, so on the side you push up the tip, and then so this will come loose. Otherwise you would not be able to get this, or you'll break it. And this is the also the connector to the motor inside. But once I take this out, I'll be able to remove it. But it's the same too. It's on the side here. You see the yellow, and you push out, and then it will come loose. Because the new one I'm buying will not come with this. Chances are they will remove it. Okay, it's the same system here. And then to take this off, you just push this to the side. You see the groove. See the groove here? So you push this, and you hit it with something, with the screwdriver, with the hammer, and then it will come loose. Okay, so this is the serious part of the job, and you have to know what you're doing. This one here, I don't know if it's a vacuum line, but again, I've already showed you how to unclip it. You take this, you pull this up, and then after that you push it out. remember, if you're dealing with an old vehicle, you have to take your time. Okay, you pull out like this, and this is the main line, the fuel line. This is the clip. Don't break it. You pull this out. You pull it out, and that's the only way to get this out. Don't try to get it out here because you might break this part here, and you don't want to do that. So you will pull the line, and that's it. So the line is exposed right here. So now you will have this to take out. This part here, it's like a cylinder. You'll see later on. Here's what here I noticed this. I didn't know about this, but this is just a retainer clip. They just put it as safety. It's on the side here. So yeah, just to keep, just in case this were to come loose, but it will never come loose because it's really hard. So you remove this, it's on the side. Okay, so this part here, like I said, it will never come loose because you will need a something like this screwdriver, flat screwdriver with a hammer, and then so you put on the side like this here. You see the groove, and you will hit it, go this way, and then to come so it will come undone, like just like so. See it comes it will come loose, and you put that to the side, and you start smelling the fume or the gas. You see, so now I put this to the side, and that's it. This is it. You see, like I said, you hit it on the side and it will go. So this is what keeps the fuel pump inside the tank. So I put this to the side, and then here's the pump. Here's the pump. Here's the pump. You see the pump? So here's the pump. You gotta be careful. That's it. Move stuff to the side, and then the pump. And there we go. This is what cost $1,300, folks. This is insane. So basically, this is what broke. That's okay. So now put that. See, I'm making it drain. So this here broke. Why? I do not know, but they do go bad sometimes. Okay, so I'm draining the this. Okay, and I will just go ahead and without any delay, I will install the other one. So just making sure that no fuel will stay in there. Okay, I don't need to take this out because mine already comes with it. So, but the motor is fine. So put that aside. Okay, and so now this is it. Okay, now this is it. So it has already have the seal. If you want, you can replace the seal, but the seal is fine. So now let me go ahead and put this in. You put it like you have to do it at an angle. So okay, so the arm can get in. Okay, and turn it. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, like this. Okay. Oh no, not yet. Not yet. Rookie mistake. Not yet. So okay, so it's in. So now this is what will hold it. If you want, you can actually put some marks. I put some marks, but it doesn't really matter because yeah, I put some marks where you can actually know how it was. I'm just turning this around and to get a better understanding. I have to now. Okay, remember I did it this way to unlock it. So I have to do it this way to lock it. So push hard on it. It's nice. It's nice to have another person, but I don't have another person. If I cannot do it by myself, then I will call somebody. But let me use my use my foot. Look at my bunion. Oh yeah, yeah. It is tight now. Okay, so I install it and I put the clip, and so everything is the reverse. Okay, reconnect the fuel line. So put the put this clip back. Okay, and this one is line here, and then I will test it before I put everything. I will test it, and let me do this for now. Just so let me go ahead and I will not turn the car on. Just see, I will not start the engine, but just to see the fuel level. Here it is. Here it is. All right. All right, guys. Mission accomplished. It's fine. So I just showed you how to change the fuel filter. Okay. Sorry, the fuel pump. So that's the main part of the job. So basically now we're done. The gauge is fine. I just have to go ahead and fill it up and then watch it. So okay, now we just go ahead and to put back everything. So the seats and stuff. So I don't have to show you this. Okay. Thank you for watching, and then I hope you learned something, and subscribe and share this video. Okay. Thank you very much. Just have to put everything, and you see this is this is the cover. That's how it goes, like this.